So, good day everyone. So, this time we will tackle the lesson 3 of the chapter 6, which is the discount, simple interest, and the commission. But before that, let's take a look on our learning outcomes. So, at the end of the discussion, you should be able to calculate the discount, simple interest, and commission, and solve routine and non-routine problems involving finding the discount, simple interest, and the commission. So, without further ado, let's begin on the discount. So, what is the discount? Discount is the amount deducted from the original price, or simply, it is the reduction in the original price of something. It means you pay less than the usual price. So let's get to know the 4 different formula in the discount section. First is the OP equals D divided by R, where OP is the original price, D is the discount, and R is the rate. Next is the R equals D divided by OP. Next is the D equals to R multiplied to OP, and NP or the net price equals to OP subtracted to the D. So take a look at this scenario. Anna wants to buy a new backpack that costs 800 pesos. The store is having a 15% discount on all school supply. What is the amount of the discount on the backpack? So in this problem, we are looking for the amount of the discount on the backpack. So what formula do you think we will use? So since we are looking for the amount of the discount on the backpack, so we will use the formula D equals to R multiplied to OP, wherein the R is the rate, OP is the original price. So in the given situation, our rate is 15%, and we will multiply it to the original price, which is the 800 pesos. So the next step, we will convert this 15% into decimal point. So percentage equals to 100. So 15 divided by 100 is equals to 0.15. So 0.15 times 800 is equals to 120. So the amount of the discount on the backpack is 120 pesos. So try this activity to see if you really understood me. So how about this one? Anna decided to buy a backpack price at 800 pesos. The store is offering a 15% discount on all backpacks. What will be the final price Anna needs to pay after the discount? So we are looking for the net price that Anna needs to pay after the discount. So it is pretty obvious that we will use the formula net price is equals to original price minus the discount, wherein the original price is the 800 pesos and the discount is 120 pesos. So 800 minus 120 pesos is 680 pesos. So the price that Anna needs to pay after the discount is 680 pesos. So try this activity. So now, Anna bought a backpack original price at 800 pesos. She paid 680 pesos after the discount. So what rate of discount did Anna receive? So this time we are looking for the rate of the discount that Anna received. So we will use the formula R equals to D divided by the original price, wherein the discount is 120 and the original price is 800 pesos. 120 divided by 800 is 0.15. Since we are looking for the rate of the discount that Anna received, we will convert this 0.15 into rate. So 0.15 times to 100 is equals to 15. So we will just add the percentage symbol. So the rate of the discount that Anna received is 15%. So try this activity. So one last situation on the discount section. Anna paid 680 pesos for a new backpack after a 15% discount, but she didn't know the original price. What was the original price of the backpack before the discount? So in this scenario, we are looking for the original price of the backpack before the discount. So we will use the formula. Original price is equals to discount divided by the rate. So the discount is 120 pesos and the rate is the 0.15. So 120 divided by 0.15 is 800. So the original price of the backpack before the discount is 800 pesos. So try this activity. So now we will jump on the simple interest. So what is simple interest? Simple interest is the amount earned for the use of money over a certain period of time. So let's get to know the 5 different formula in the simple interest section. First is the P is equals to I divided by R multiplied to T, wherein the P is the principal, I is the interest, R is the rate, and the T is the time. The second one is the R is equals to I divided by P multiplied to T. The third one is the T is equals to I divided by P multiplied to R. And the fourth one is the I is equals to P multiplied to R multiplied to T. And the last one is the amount is equals to P added to I, which is the interest. So take a look at this scenario. Beverly deposited 25,000 at the bank, offering 10% simple interest per annum for 18 months. How much interest did she earn? So in this given problem, we are looking for the interest Beverly earned for depositing 25,000 at the bank. Formula I is equals to P multiplied to R and multiplied to T, which is the P is the principal, R is the rate, and the T is the time. So in the given situation, the P or the principal is 25,000. Multiplied to rate, which is 10%, and multiplied to time, which is the 18 months. So 25,000 times 10%. So we will convert this 10% into decimal point. So 10 divide 100 is 0.1. So 25,000 times 0.1 times 18 months. So in the given situation, we are looking for the simple interest per annum. So annum means years. So simple interest per year. So we will convert this 18 months into year. 18 divided by 12, since in a year we have 12 months, so 18 divided by 12 is 1.5. So 25,000 times 0.1 times 1.5. So 25,000 times 0.1 times 1.5 is 3,750. So the interest that Beverly earned for depositing 25,000 at the bank offering 10% simple interest per year is 3,750 pesos. So challenge yourself by answering this activity. Take a look at this another given situation on the simple interest section. Beverly deposited 25,000 at the bank offering 10% simple interest per annum for 18 months. How much is Beverly's total money after 18 months? So in this given situation, we are looking for the Beverly's total money after depositing 25,000 at the bank after 18 months. Since we are looking for the total amount, so we will use the formula A, which is the amount, equals to P, which is the principal, and we will add it to the interest. So in the given situation, the formula is 25,000, and we will add it to the interest, which is the 3,750 pesos. So 25,000 plus 3,750 pesos is 28,750 pesos. So Beverly's total money after depositing 25,000 at the bank for 18 months is 28,750 pesos. Try this activity. How about this one? Beverly earned 3,750 pesos in simple interest from a bank that offered 10% per year for 18 months. What was the original amount she deposited since she can't remember it? So we are looking for the original amount she deposited at the bank. So we will use the formula P is equals to I divided by R times T, wherein the P is the principal, I is the simple interest, R is the rate, and T is the time. So in the given situation, the simple interest is 3,750, and we will divide it to the product of 0.1 times 1.5. So 0.1 times 1.5 is 0.15. So 3,750 divided by 0.15 is 25,000. So the original amount she deposited at the bank is 25,000 pesos. Try this activity. Beverly deposited 25,000 pesos and earned 3,750 pesos simple interest in 18 months. What was the simple interest rate per year? So this time we are looking for the simple interest rate. So we will use the formula R is equals to I divided by P times T, wherein the R is the rate, I is the simple interest, P is the principal, and the T is the time. In the given situation, the simple interest is 3,750 pesos and the principal is 25,000. And we will multiply it to the time, which is the 1.5. 3,750 pesos divided by 25,000 times 1.5 is 37,500. 3,750 divided by 37,500 is 0.1. So since we are looking for the rate, we will convert this decimal point into rate. So 0.1 times 100 is 10. and we will just add the percentage symbol. So the simple interest rate per year is 10%. Try this activity. So last given situation on the simple interest section. Beverly deposited 25,000 pesos at 10% simple interest per annum. She earned 3,750 pesos interest. How long was the money deposited? So in this given situation, we are looking for the time. So we will use the formula T is equals to I divided by P times R, wherein the simple interest is 3,750 pesos and the principal is 25,000. And we will multiply it to rate, which is the 0.1. So 25,000 times 0.1 is 2,500. So 3,750 divided by 2,500 is 1.5. So we will just multiply it to the number of months in a year, which is 12. So 1.5 times 12 is 18 months. So challenge yourself by answering this activity. So now we will tackle the last part of the discussion, which is the commission. So what is commission? Commission is the amount paid for the services rendered, or simply, it is the amount you earn for helping someone to sell something. So these are the four different formula in the commission section. First is the GP is equals to C divided by R, wherein the GP is the gross proceed, C is the commission, R is the rate. Second one is the R equals to C divided by GP. The third one is the C is equals to R multiplied to GP. And the last one is the T equals to RS plus C, wherein the T is the take-home pay. Mrs. Sanchez has a regular monthly salary of 20,000 pesos. She sold a house and lot for 1,750,000 pesos and received a 5% commission from the sale. How much was her commission? So we will use the formula C is equals to R multiplied to gross proceed. So in the given situation, the rate is 5%, and we will multiply it to the gross proceed, which is the 1,750,000 pesos. And the next one is we will convert this 5% into decimal point, and it will become 0.5 times 1,750,000 pesos. And 0.05 times 1,750,000 pesos is 87,500 pesos. So challenge yourself by answering this activity. Mrs. Sanchez received 87,500 pesos as a commission from a sale with a 5% commission rate. She forgot the total sale amount. What were the gross proceeds? So in this given situation, we will use the formula GP is equals to C divided by R, wherein the commission is 87,500 and the rate is 0.05. So 87,500 divided by 0.05 is 1,750,000 pesos. So try this activity. Mrs. Sanchez sold a house and lot for 1,750,000 pesos and earned 87,500 pesos as a commission. What was the rate of commissions she received? So in this given situation, we will use the formula R is equals to C divided by the gross proceed. The given situation, the commission is 87,500 and will be divided to the gross proceed, which is the 1,750,000 pesos. So 87,500 pesos divided by 1,750,000 pesos is 0.05, and we will multiply it to 100. So the answer is 5%. So try this activity. Mrs. Sanchez has a regular monthly salary of 20,000 pesos. She sold a house and lot for 1,750,000 pesos and received a 5% commission. What was her total take-home pay? So in this given situation, we will use the formula P is equals to RS plus the commission, when the RS is 20,000 pesos and her commission is 87,500. So 20,000 plus 87,500 is 107,500 pesos. So try this activity. So that concludes my discussion. Thank you for listening.